cat toy success. Oh, there she goes again.
Just the gift one.
Hmm.
That's more nice.
So this is the gift. Yo, this is 10 plus.
Wow, Fairy is in love. This is probably the best ad for this toy.